The trial of former attorney Alex Murdaugh has entered its 6th week, and with it, shocking details have been revealed as the defense teams rest with several alternative theories now on the table. Murdaugh pleaded not guilty as he stands trial for the double murder of his wife Maggie and youngest son Paul. The two were found dead on the night of June 7, 2021, though Mr. Murdaugh was only charged with their murders in July of 2022. In opening statements, the prosecution revealed cell phone records and footage filmed by Paul Murdaugh mere minutes before his death, evidence that the team said would be crucial to proving Murdaugh's guilt, while Murdaugh and the defense claimed that he was nowhere near the scene of the crime till after the murders.
Is this the only firearm with you? This is the only one, or is there any more in the truck?
I believe that's it.
You think that's the only one?
In body cam footage, Murdaugh is found with a shotgun to which he told the officer he had armed himself with after discovering the bodies. In a panic, he quickly explains that the murders are connected to a 2019 incident involving Paul, where 19-year-old Mallory Beach was killed when a boat crashed near Archer's Creek. Paul was awaiting trial at the time of his death. Another theory suggested by the defense was that there were two shooters that night, given the trajectory and the type of ammunition used in the act.
To me, there's structurally difficult for the same shooter to have two long arms and no practical reason for that to happen. Add that to what I believe happened to the shooter who fired first with the shotgun, and I think it tips in favor of the probability of two shooters.
Murdaugh and the defense were dealt a heavy blow when the court ruled to allow Murdaugh's financial crimes to be used as evidence in the trial. He is now facing 100 charges as well for stealing $8.5 million from clients dating as far back as 2011. The most dramatic day of the trial so far came when Murdaugh himself took the stand to testify in a 2-day testimony. He admitted that he had lied in his alibi as well as confessing to his many financial crimes, but continued to plead that he had nothing to do with the death of his wife and son.
No, I think that's correct.
All right, and you would you agree with me, though, that figure in 2019 was generally higher than any other year that you've been stealing since 2011?
In any year, sure, I'd agree with that. When you're doing the things wrong that I was doing, you have all kind of ways of justifying it. I'm sorry to Mags and Pawpaw. I would never intentionally do anything to hurt either one of them.
As mentioned at the top, the defense rested its case on Monday, and closing arguments will conclude Wednesday night. The rest will be up to the jurors. For SUTV News, I'm Adam Beam.